I'm showing you how to do it. I'm giving you the blueprint. There's no excuses. Hey guys, hopefully everybody's doing great today. I wanted to show you this really quick high protein meal idea I had for you. I made this for lunch and I wanted to share it with you because man, it is good. I already took a bite out of it. Let me show you what I did. It's so easy, so simple, and you get almost 50 grams of protein right here in this one meal. Now, what this is avocado grilled lime shrimp, I guess you could say, tacos, okay? So this is so easy to make. All I did was I used frozen shrimp, all right? Just thaw this out. What I like to do, I thawed it out in like a minute. You can put it in a bowl and just let the hot water run over it. It thaws out pretty quick. Or you can just put it in a bowl, put some water on it, and go do whatever you gotta do. 15 minutes later or so, it should be thawed out, not a problem. Extreme Wellness tortillas that I always use. They're super soft. You don't even have to heat them up if you don't want to. No, I did. I heated everything up on the grill. I'll talk about that in a second. If you don't want to use these, don't worry about it. You don't have to, but I like these. These are my favorite because they're so soft, okay? Some avocado left over from the night before. And so I said, you know what? Let me make avocado lime. So all I did was I just took the avocado I had left over in here. I just added some lime juice, all right? And then just a little seasoning in there, okay? Just stir it around, put that on the tortillas, cook the shrimp, and then just put it on there and you're good to go, all right? So all I did with the shrimp, after it was thawed, I put it in a bowl. I seasoned it with some lime juice. I also seasoned it with some Slap Your Mama, highly recommend it if you can get it. And then just a little lemon pepper on there, all right? And then what I did was I stuck the shrimp just in some aluminum foil, because what I did with this as well is I put it on the grill. Now you don't have to put it on the grill. If you want to, you can easily just make this on the stove. Shrimp cooks so quick, all right? So you don't have to have a grill. Oh, I don't have a grill, so I can't go grill outside. No, you don't have to do that. Just put it on the stove and it cooks in minutes. But I like to do this because it kind of marinates in there. You can still see some of the, I don't know if you can see those juices in there, okay? Don't want it to spill on the floor here, but you can just marinate. I only put it on there for about 10 minutes, all right? So it didn't take long at all. What I did also was, as I was preparing the tortillas, I put all the avocado on top. I stirred the avocado, put it on top, and then I put these tortillas on the top of the grill just to kind of toast them a little bit. Now that's optional. It makes them a little more toastier, but it doesn't interfere with the flavor or anything like that. Plus it gives it that grill flavor, I guess you could say. Now I already took a bite of this one, obviously. Man, it is so good. I was like, you know what? I gotta let you know about this one because this one is good. About almost 50 grams of protein right here. If you like shrimp, this is the way to go. You can also do this with chicken. If you just have some chicken breast, you can cook it the same way, season it the same way if you just wanna make some quick tacos. But look at that. And the avocado gives it so much flavor. The shrimp is already seasoned enough where it has a lot of flavor. Now the avocado just gives it a little more kick. And it is great, especially in these tortillas. I'm gonna eat this. This is gonna be lunch. And like I said, this is such a simple, easy meal. Almost 50 grams of protein right here, all right? So if you're looking for more meal ideas, check out some of my videos. Like this video, subscribe to my channel because I'm always trying to put different videos on how I reach my protein goals, because that is my main focus, is to reach my protein goals each day. So I'm always looking for easy, quick, and healthy ways to do that as soon as possible, because a lot of times, we don't have time to cook. We don't have time to meal prep a bunch of food. So whenever I do have time, a little bit of time, this was made in about, I would say 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so it didn't take too long, but whenever I have time, I'm always thinking about different meals. Now, when I start thinking about my meals, the first thing I think is, okay, how am I gonna get my protein? What's my protein source? Today it was shrimp. Sometimes, it's chicken, it's beef, it's eggs, it's cottage cheese, whatever it is. Think about your protein source first and then build around that. So once you get your protein source and you need to know how much you're gonna get for that meal, I recommend trying to get 30 to 40 grams each meal. And then once you get that, then you can build around it. Are you gonna have some rice with it? Are you gonna have some tortillas with it? Are you gonna just have some vegetables? Whatever you're gonna do, whatever fits your macros, that's how you think about it. So as I was driving home, I was thinking, okay, well today, I know I got that frozen shrimp. Let me go ahead and thaw that out real quick. I know I got about, 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Let me go ahead, thaw that out. The tortillas, you don't have to heat them up. You don't have to do anything. I knew I had the avocado left over from last night, so I could just stir it up, season it up a little bit, and it's ready to go. So I was thinking about that on the way home. So have a plan. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna try these meals and you're gonna get an idea like, man, I like that. I know it took me that long to make it, so I know I can make that again tomorrow, or I can make it again tonight for dinner, or another dinner, or however you want to use it. But mentally, you know you can do it, and you can replace a meal that you know you shouldn't be eating with a meal like this. Okay, so that's just what I think about when I'm driving around or when I'm thinking about my meals, on how I can stay healthy, how I can stay lean year round, how I can stay in shape, feeling good, feeling strong, having a lot of energy. Is because of how you eat. Okay, food equals mood. All right, you eat like crap, you're gonna feel like crap. So we're trying to feel good, right? So let's eat as healthy as possible. I'm gonna keep coming on here with these videos, and subscribe if you want to keep getting these. I'll try to put these on as much as possible. I'll show you exactly what I eat. If you follow my other social medias and reels and stuff, that what I eat, what I do, my exercises, the steps I get, I'm basically giving you the blueprint to get healthy, get lean, and stay like that, because I'm showing you that how I do it. It's exactly how I do it. I'm giving it to you. I'm showing it to you. All you got to do is follow it, but you have to do it. That's the whole thing. You have to do it. Nobody can make you do it. You have to make the decision, and you have to go do it. So let's work on making these healthier meals. Look at that. I'm looking forward to eating this one. And I'll be back on here again, make another video with another meal idea I have. Like I said, I try to get between 30 to 40 grams of protein in each meal. So shoot for that. Determine what your protein goal is. So if your goal weight is to be at, let's say 150 pounds, to make it easy, 150 pounds is your goal weight, then what you want to do is try to hit at least 150 grams of protein each day. 150 grams of protein each day, all right? It can be done. This is why I make these videos, because I get a lot of comments about, oh, I have trouble hitting my protein goals. Oh, I can't hit my protein goals. Oh, I try so hard, but I'm so low. And I'm like, okay, I can show you in the morning how you can hit 150 grams of protein by lunch. Check out some other videos. I show you how to do that. Now, you don't have to do that by lunch. You can do it if you want, but I just show you, yes, you can. If you eat like this, if you follow my blueprint, you can get your protein, whatever your protein goals are. If your protein goal is to get 100 grams of protein because you want to get to 100 pounds, then that's on, you know, that's easy. I can get that in 2 meals. Okay, so I'm just trying to show you, yes, you can do it. Now you need to stop making excuses. We need to start focusing. Focus on what you want to do. Make some changes in your life. Make some changes, especially when it comes to your meals, and you can reach those goals. I'll keep making videos. Watch my other videos. I'm showing you how to do it. I'm giving you the blueprint. There's no excuses. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, or maybe how else I can help, or if you have any ideas I can use. I've had some great comments on, hey, I use this as this sauce, or I use that or something. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go try that. I appreciate that. You know, I'm gonna go try it out. I'm always willing to try something new, always willing to learn, and I'm always willing to help. So that's why I'm here. Try these out. I'm telling you, if you like shrimp, you got to give these a go. It's so easy. You don't need much. And cool thing about the shrimp, you can just keep it in the freezer wherever you need it. It thaws out in minutes, and you don't have to worry about it. Keep those tortillas ready to go. I put so much stuff in these tortillas all the time. Beef, chicken, it's all ready to go. So you got to stay ready, okay? You have to stay ready. So let's keep getting better. I'm gonna go ahead and eat these, and I'll be back with another video. Like, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Let's keep getting better. Come on.